Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to fix Roblox avatar not loading or changing in Windows 11 PC. If your character isn't appearing or updating properly, follow these troubleshooting steps. Let's get started. Step 1. First, try logging out of your account completely. Click the gear icon in the top right corner of Roblox and select Log Out. Either create a temporary new account or use an alternate account to test if avatars load properly. If they do, log back into your main account. This often resets the avatar display. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Open a browser and visit speedtest.net to run a connection test. Roblox requires at least 4 to 6 Mbps of download speed for proper avatar loading. If your results are below this threshold, try resetting your router or connecting to a different network. Step 3. Clear your browser cache and cookies. In Chrome, click the three-dot menu, Clear Browsing Data, select both Cookies and Cached Images files, then click Clear Data. Restart your browser completely before logging back into Roblox. Alternatively, try using a different browser like Firefox or Edge. Step 4. Force a thumbnail refresh. In the Roblox Avatar Editor, scroll down and click Avatar isn't loading correctly, then select Redraw. This regenerates your avatar's thumbnail files, which can resolve display issues. Wait a few minutes for the process to complete. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more tech solutions.